It's easy to blur children's faces out when you're taking observations in Evidence Me. I'm going to log in as a teacher, and I have taken this media for this observation. Now, if I wanted to blur a child's face within this media, I can tap on the photograph there. To the bottom to the right there, I've got a blur tool. Now, before I use the blur tool, I might want to save this original photograph out of the observation. I can do that by tapping on the export button to the top right and tapping on save image. That will export it to the camera roll. Alternatively, if I wanted to blur one child's face out in this observation and another one in another, I could, in the observation details area, use the menu to the top right and duplicate this observation, creating a duplicate copy of it in the observations area here at the bottom. Now I've saved out the original, made my duplicate, done what I needed to do, I can tap back onto the photograph, use the blur tool to the bottom right to tap on a child's face. If I hold down and then let go, it will blur, and I can do this multiple times if I need to. Once I've finished blurring, I can tap on Done to the bottom right, and that will save that photograph, then the modified photograph, into my observation. Back in the observation details, I can then add the learner that I haven't blurred into the learners area and tap Parent Share and use the Parent Share options to share this with the relevant parents. To go into the other observation and blur the other child, I would access this through observations at the bottom there, tap on the other one, go into the photograph, and again I'm going to use the blur tool to blur the second face. There we go. And done to save that version. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.